Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Rocket.net, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Rocket.net paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Rocket.net account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over a different software provider. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Rocket.net dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Rocket.net, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to cancel your paid subscription, here on the left side, you're going to click on the button Billing. All right, once you do that, it's going to open up, and you want to click on My Plan. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different products and services that you have with Rocket.net. You can just have the hosting, and then to cancel your paid subscription, off to the right, you're going to click on these three little dots. Once you do that, click on View Details. Okay, next, it's going to show you more information about your paid plan with Rocket.net. You can see I'm on the $30 per month. Now to cancel it, over here to the right in blue, click on Request Cancel. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this little box. You can type in a reason why you're canceling your Rocket.net cancellation. You can go ahead and make it immediate, which is what I'm going to do, or you can do the end of the billing period. That's up to you. Depends on how long it's going to take you to migrate any of the services or products out of Rocket.net. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the red Request Cancellation button. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Rocket.net account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your Rocket.net account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.